Hi, this is Daro. Today I'm going to show you a dry working cape granulator. Firstly, I will tell you what is the construction of this cape granulator, and then I will show you how this cape granulator works. The cape granulator is a group of 8 devices which work together to transform the cape into copper granules. The first device is the control cabinet, the task of which is to start and stop the devices. Starting is done by pressing the green button corresponding to a given device. A stopping is done by pressing the red button which is below the green button. The cape granulator is started by next pressing of the buttons 1 to 9. The cape granulator is stopped by next pressing of the buttons 11 to 19. If it is necessary to suddenly stop the granulator, press the emergency switch, which will stop the granulator work. The second device is a granulator, whose task is to convert capes into cape granulate. Capes are granulated with 14 knives, 10 of which are rotable and 4 are permanent. The third device is a conveyor belt whose task is to transport cape granulate. The fourth device is an air separator whose task is to separate cape granulate into copper granulate and waste granulate. The copper granulate moves upwards and forward and 10 fall on the copper fraction separator. The waste granulate moves down and back, 10 falls from the receiving tray to the container. The fifth device is a copper fraction separator, the task of which is to separate the copper granules into thick ones, which moves along the separator sieve and is collected on the left side, and the fine copper granulates what fall under the sieve and are collected on the right side. The sixth device is the ventilation system, whose task is to collect dust from the separate tape and discharge through air dust to filters. The seventh device is the granulator cooling system, whose task is to protect the granulator against too high temperature increase during work. Eighth device is an industrial vacuum cleaner, whose task is to help the operator to keep all elements of the cape granulator clean. The weight of the granulator is 3 tons. The size of this cape granulator is 3 meters 70 cm wide, 2 meters 30 cm high, 8 meters long. The width of the gate through which the granulator can be delivered into 2.5 meters wide and 2.5 meters high. And now I will show the granulator in works. Thanks for watching.